Art Gallery of Ontario is Toronto's second largest art museum with modern and contemporary collections, as well as pieces by Canadian, First Nations, Inuit, African, European, and Oceanic artists. The museum has arranged and sponsored a number of traveling art exhibitions in addition to show for its collection. The Gallery Italy edifices are composed of glass, steel, and wood, with a projecting canopy facing Dundas Street that also serve as a viewing hall on the second floor. Inside of the gallery is made by wood with unique styling and design to make this art gallery more exclusive. The Bata Shoe Museum is Canada's most significant museum of footwear and calceology. The Bata Shoe Museum currently holds nearly 15,000 shoes and related artifacts, expanding 4,500 years of footwear history. This extraordinary collection is central to the museum's mission and enables them to mount dynamic and changing exhibitions. The collection is organized into several cultural and geographic areas, including Africa, China, India, Japan, Korea, Latin America, the Middle East, indigenous North American, and the circumpolar regions. In order to accommodate the exhibits of delicate and fragile objects, the museum galleries were all designed with strict environmental controls, with little natural light entering the galleries. museum's collection originates from the personal collections of Sonia Bata, arising from her interest in the products produced by her husband's company, the Bata Shoe Company. Sonia began collecting shoes shortly after her marriage to Thomas J. Bata in 1946, and they consequently moved to Toronto. I hope you enjoyed this walk into the art gallery and also the history of the Bata Shoes Museum. I am Sarah Benitez. Please subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell. I will be waiting for you in my next videos with much more interesting places. Subscribe now to stay up to date.